Hey, what is up guys? Back with another video. Today we have something slightly special, and that is a Razer product themed with Overwatch D.Va character. We've got the limited edition mousepad and the mouse. This is going to be just a quick unboxing video, so let's get to it. Let's open up the mousepad first. Oh, much bigger than I expected actually. Being a Razer product, it is quite expensive, especially because it's a limited edition. But I can say it's really high quality. It's really nice. Very nice. Much bigger than I expected. I mean, compared to the mouse pad I have right now, which is that, I mean, it's significantly bigger. So that's good. So that's the mouse pad. Let's open up the mouse. This I have some questions about, because in the specs I couldn't see if it had a back button. So if it obviously doesn't have a back button, it's quite inconvenient when it comes to gaming. So let's quickly get focus. Yeah. So yeah, it's got chroma, Razer chroma. There you go. So open up the box. Ooh, very nice. Let's go. Yeah, nice feel to it. I don't know about the back button. Let's have a look. So there you go. Got the mouse. It's got a nice note with it. Yeah, it's not too big, it's not too small. It's pretty good. So there it is to the yeah, in comparison to the mouse pad. And oh, there is a button there. Oh, there's a programmable button there, and then is there another button there? No, I think, yeah, there's just one button there. Yeah, I think that's a programmable button there. Scrolling wheel. It's a clicky scrolling wheel. Overall, really nice. And yeah, can't show it to you in this video, but that part of the logo lights up, so that's a bonus. Brilliant, awesome. See you guys in the next video.